Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Scentizo.com, where you can purchase different kinds of flyers. So you should buy any flyer on this platform or not, legit or it's a scam. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all, if we talk about this brand is you can say like available on Instagram, and their product is really amazing product. But the thing is, their all product is easily available on, you can say like amazon.com or so many other platforms. Okay, so you can say like when you search this thing like cute air freshener, you will see there are so many product available, like similar kind of product is easily available. Okay, so the thing is, if you really want to buy, then you can make a purchase on amazon.com also. And if we talk about like this brand Scentizo is also looking like a legit brand, because they are providing, you can say like products, and there you can say like each and everything is looking good. But the only problem is like customer support, because they are not providing any kind of customer support. So in case of return and refund, you are not able to get your money back, okay, easily. Okay, we can't say like 100% you will not get your money, like you have to make some efforts. Okay, so the thing is, if you really want to buy any product, you can go on amazon.com. If you don't, you can say like, if you are not finding, if you are not able to find, you can say like cute air freshener, then you can also make a purchase on their platform. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience with this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so bye bye.